Hi guys, little update here on the challenge. I fucked it up. I screwed the whole plan because I tried to be a little bit smart, which I wasn't being smart. I was just trying to advance on the challenge faster, a little bit faster, and I fucked it up. So I don't know if you remember, last week we were up to 136, 160, yeah, positive. So 1.6% on top of the challenge of the 4 week. We are on Tuesday. Remember guys, I'm just 1 hour behind of New York. I'm in Latin America actually. So this is the beginning of the week for us. It's Tuesday. So let me show you the results by the moment. And look, 50% winning rate. Basically we have taken 4 trades, 2 winnings, two winnings, 2 profitable trades and 2 losses. Average profit is 169, average loss is 109. So we are up to $136 on the account. Now, percent on top of the challenge. Right now we are like this. Yep, as you can see, it's not a very good graph. We were here last week and we are now here, and still we have 2 open trades which will be continue develop at the beginning of the next week. This is just a reminder that when you do something wrong that is not according to the plan, you pay 10 times the price of that. But always remember, as long as you take responsibility of it, you always can improve. That's the first thing that you need to understand, is that you might fail sometimes, you might don't stick to your plan. We're humans, we can fail. There's emotions in between of that, and sometimes you think you are too smart for the system, and the system tells you, nah, you're not. The important thing here, guys, is to learn from this. Sorry. The important thing is to learn from this and to always remember that your next trade, if you do it properly, is more important than your last mistake. Okay? Whatever happened in the past is in the past. Just keep walking, keep going forward, but make sure that next time that you take the next trade, just be smart, be intelligent, and put the odds on your favor. And remember, follow the plan. Okay? See you guys.